welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you this sheet that I got from LDC Luxe Decor Collection. It's a solid bed sheet. It's like the sheets that they use at the hotel. It's very durable. There it says ultra soft, wrinkle free, breathable, fade resistant, shrink resistant, deep pockets. This sheet is a full sheet, and it has 6-piece set, right? So it has four. Let's open up. So it has four pillowcase, and it has a fitted sheet. Let me show you. So this is it. I chose this color. This is what it comes with. I purchased this on eBay, and you could also find it on Amazon. This is their information. They have a store on eBay and they have one on Amazon. Enjoy your sleep like never before. Having peaceful sleep is a prime necessity to start an active day, so take care of your sleep with us. So far, guys, I like how it feels. It feels super soft. Super soft for real. Let's get rid of that. And this is, let me open it up. So this is the fitted part. So guys, I'm going to put it on the bed and show you how it looks. So I'll be right back. So guys, this is the fitted sheet. This is how it looks on the bed. So now I'm going to add the top sheet and then put my pillowcase on and then show you the finish look. Yeah.